Hi, let's start the year with a little English and a lot of motivation. Here are 6 simple but powerful words for the new year. Listen, repeat, and reflect. Resolution. A promise you make to yourself. My resolution is to read more. What's your resolution for this year? Do you have one? Goal. Something you want to do or achieve. My goal is to improve my English. What's your goal right now? Routine. The things you do every day. I have a morning routine with coffee and music. Do you have routines? What's your morning routine like? Habit. A repeated action that becomes part of your life. Learning one new word a day is a great habit. Do you have any healthy habits? Improve. To get better. I want to improve my speaking skills. Is there something in your life you want to improve? Stay the same. To keep something the way it is. I love my mindset. I want to stay the same. And that's okay, too. Your English doesn't have to stay the same. You can improve it with just a few minutes a day. Try one of our micro routines and feel the progress. Small steps, real results with the support of our community.